Hello, Chef Marshie here, and we are talking about HACCP, HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point. Okay, now where is this used? Who uses it? IHOP, for one, uses it. A lot of times you'll find it in food processing or food manufacturing. Okay, you may not have it at your restaurant, and that's okay because it is a written plan. It is extremely comprehensive. To find out about those principles, watch the video on the 7 principles of HACCP. So what I'm talking about right now is who uses it. Food manufacturers, restaurants and commercial kitchens like IHOP. Some big chains want to cover their assets, and they want to make sure that they are doing everything in their control to put in place of keeping food safe so their customer, their guest, is happy and content and continues to come back. Okay? You may find it in a hospital or a cruise ship in these huge kitchens and facilities that are having to deal with a lot of different dietary needs. So you may find it in those places. Also, you can find them like a seafood restaurant where they're having to deal with seafood because seafood a lot of times is connected to hepatitis A and norovirus, and those are highly contagious, and we want to keep that under wraps. So a lot of times seafood is required to have a HACCP plan. Dairy and produce industries, it's because it's part of a manufacturing process. If you've ever gone to a dairy farm where they actually process and milk the cows and make the milk or the cheese, you see that there are some things that could definitely go wrong through that flow of food from the cow to the table. Okay, so they're going to want certain processes in place under those critical control points to ensure that your food, your dairy, your milk comes out safe. Okay, hope that helps, and understand that there are some places where HACCP is used. I would recommend watching the 7 principles, especially if you need the food manager certification, because 9 times out of 10 that is a test question on there, and I have that video for you. And I teach that course and have for many, many, many years. So you can find that link below on how to sign up. Bye-bye.